Hello everyone. You may be a fresher or experienced person. To get the job opportunities, you need to prepare a perfect resume. Today we are going to see how to prepare a perfect resume. Before that, please subscribe our Fresher Connect channel and then only you can get notifications for future videos. Let's go to the video. Before going to create a resume, we have basic questions about resume. Number one question is why we need a resume. Having the job in the early stage of your career makes you professionalism and discipline. These two things is very important to make money and happiness in your life. So to get all of this, you need to create a resume first. I know writing a resume sounds complicated. You may be a fresher or experienced person. Don't worry, I will guide you step by step how to create your resume. End of this video, you will get 100% clarity about resume writing. Question number 2. What recruiters look for? You can apply the job for banking, sales, education, IT jobs and any other jobs based on your profile. The problem is no matter what kind of job you are applying for, there will be thousands of people applying for the same jobs. With this many profile, recruiter hardly look your resume into 5 to 10 seconds maximum. If your profile not impress at first time, then your profile rejected immediately because thousands of profiles need to be verified. So your resume not like a long boring list. It should be simple and crispy like an advertisement. Question number 3, resume structure. We are going to see how to create a perfect resume step by step. In resume writing, the step number 1 is write your name first. Step number 2, write a professional title like software engineer, mechanical engineer, like that. These words define you professionally. Step number 3, contact informations. Enter your email ID. All of us have college email ID. Don't use that. You must create a email ID with your name. Next, enter your phone number. Then enter your LinkedIn profile if you have. Step number 4, education details. Here you must enter your college degree details and 10th standard and 12th standard marks details. Pass out year and percentage of marks is very important. Step number 5, your experience. As a fresher, we don't have experience, but we need to write something. So point number 1, you can enter your project details. Then point number 2, you can enter your internship details. Then point number 3, you can mention your tuition for kids. Next, enter your part-time jobs details. Why we need to mention all of these activities as a fresher in your experience? Because it tells that to recruiters you are committed and develop a sense of professionalism in your early life. Point number 6, enter your skills. Point number 7, enter your awards and recognitions. Point number 8, enter your language details. Point number 9, please check your entire resume page once again. Is there any spelling mistake? Point number 10, don't lie on your resume because if you don't have skills, you might not get the job. Honesty is very important. No one company can compromise. So that's all writing a resume. If you know someone is struggling to write your resume, please share this video. If you have any questions, please write down comment section. Subscribe our channel to get more videos. Thank you.